Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing an unboxing, first impression, try on and review for the August BoxyCharm. If you guys don't know what a BoxyCharm is, it's basically just a monthly makeup subscription. So I pay about $30 a month and then I get a package with 5 full-size products, which is awesome. And I like to do the unboxing and review of all the products that I receive. I hope you guys like this video. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. I would greatly appreciate it. So if you want to know what I got in the August box, then please continue watching. I did take a peek in the box earlier because I didn't want to go too far into my skincare routine and then have something in the box that I had to use. So far all I've done is I've just washed my face and I've applied a toner and we can get started. So this month's theme for the BoxyCharm is Life of the Party. There is one product that I'm super excited to try out in here. There is one product that I will not be testing out. It's just a product for your nails. So it's the Adesi New York Age Defying Nail Treatment Essentials. So it's a treatment for your cuticles as well as your nails, and I just figured I'm not going to test it out. I'm not going to do my nails. But I'll read it to you and let you know how much it costs. This is what it looks like. Treat yourself, your nails, and your cuticles after a night out. This lightweight, non-greasy oil is formulated with vitamin E, shea, sweet almond, and jojoba oils that are blended together to create a luxurious treatment that softens the cuticles, moisturizes, and hydrates the skin. And this product on its own retails for $18. But like I said, I will not be reviewing this. I'm not gonna do my nails. So we're gonna move on to the next product. In my BoxyCharm, I received 3 Wander Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. So I smacked myself in the face. So I will be testing these out, and that is why I just applied toner to the skin, because your skin has to be clean to put this on. So let's read it. Let's tell you about the product. So after a night of partying, who doesn't love a good eye mask? These gold foil under eye masks brighten, hydrate, and reduce the appearance of dark circles. The hyaluronic acid diminishes the appearance of wrinkles, while aloe leaf extracts and lavender oil cool and soothe your under eye area. And these go for $13 each. I'm gonna apply this. Let's read the instructions. Apply onto clean, dry under eyes. Repeat on the other side, obviously. Leave on for 10 to 15 minutes and discard after use. Gently pat remaining serum into skin. Okay. Oh, this feels so weird. I never do the eye. I have so many of these, I just never do them. Although they probably are really good for your skin. Okay. I'm just gonna smooth it out. One is on. I'm going to wait about 10-15 minutes, then I will remove it. It's been about 15 minutes. I am going to remove the eye patches. So it's dried up, and I'm just gonna remove these. Ooh. Okay, so you see that it's still wet, so your package says to just tap that into the skin. I like it. I like it. It's a little tacky, but it feels very refreshing. So it's a little tacky, but my under eyes feel really nice right now. Very hydrated. Oh, I like it. I am going to just finish with my skincare and then I will be back to continue with my makeup. My eyes are primed and I was super excited to get this in my BoxyCharm. So this is the LauraLee Los Angeles Party Animal eyeshadow palette. So this is the eyeshadow palette. I love these colors. I just don't know what I'm going to do. Yikes, they're really crazy colors and I get it. It goes with the theme, right? But what am I gonna do? So Dare to Be the Life of the Party with LauraLee Los Angeles Party Animal Palette. These 6 stunning shades create bold, colorful looks, leaving you ready for a night of fun. And this retails for $19. Don't get me wrong, I love this palette. I was actually super excited to get it. I just don't know what the hell I'm gonna do. I have to go out after this, so I don't want to go out looking like an idiot. Oh fuck. I'm just gonna swatch these for you. First, I'm going into It's a Party. So that's very green. Damage Control. Okay. Karaoke. Wow, that's really nice. Okay, next we're going into Drinks. Wow, that's really pretty. Bottoms Up, it's more of a glittery pink. This would be a very nice lid shade. Oh my god, that is stunning. That one actually swatched the best. Wow, and then Hungover. This is like a really dark purple. It feels really velvety compared to the others. Wow. It was quite chunky on my finger just because I picked up a lot of it, but it's more of like a metallic purple shade. So these are more lid colors and then like transition shades. What the fuck am I gonna do? These swatches are, they swatch really nicely. I just don't know what to do. These are too crazy for me. Using a Lotte London packing brush, I'm gonna go into Bottoms Up and pack that all over the lid. Ooh, a lot gets picked up on the brush, like, wow. I'm gonna go into Drinks and blend out that pink. To blend the orange out, I used a Royal and Nickel BMX 430 crease brush. And to blend It's a Party into the crease, I'm going to use a Morphe E28. So the next product I received is the Bang Beauty Chocolate Gel Eyeliner. I guess I gotta add a wing liner to this look because I have to test this out. Use it as an eyeliner, eyeshadow base, or even to touch up your brows. This creamy chocolate toned pomade is the ultimate triple threat. And this retails for $22. It's not my shade in eyebrows. Couldn't really use it as a base with any of the colors that are in that palette, so I have to use it as an eyeliner. I'm just gonna wing out my eye. Oh my god, is it like chunky? It's just getting really chunky. It's not smooth at all. Formula is a little bit chunky. I'm trying to smooth it out and it's just not smoothing out. I'm gonna put a little bit of the Inglot Duraline and hopefully that'll do the trick. Oh, that is so much better. Okay, I've got the one eye done. I'm going to finish the other off of camera and I'll be right back. I also received a pair of House of Lashes in the style Bambi. I've been dying to purchase a pair of House of Lashes. I feel like I got a pair that I wouldn't really purchase myself. I don't know, like applying to the center of my eye and then place them in the right spot. Add length and dimension to your makeup look with your new favorite lashes. Cruelty-free, high quality, and long lasting. These lashes provide up to 15 hours and will be the talk of every party. And House of Lashes lashes usually range from $9 to $12. So what I did, I wanted to know how much these pair were. So I just Googled, I just went to the House of Lashes website and I searched up their Bambi lashes. And these are $9. These are on the cheaper side, and honestly they do look a little cheap, I am not going to lie. These aren't a pair that I would purchase myself, just saying. They're alright. I don't love them, but I don't like them either. So they're there, they're just there. So the next item is a lipstick. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to finish the rest of my face. So I'll be back when I'm done the rest of my face. I'm just going to finish the bottom lash line. I'm going to go into Damage Control and apply this to the bottom lash line. Last item I received was the Smashbox Be Legendary lipstick in Latte. Oh, it got a little messed up when it was being packaged. Yeah, it's sitting at the bottom of my thing, of the lid, but whatever, that's fine. To line my lips, I'm going to be using the Tartiest lip liner in Latergram. Create bold, beautiful looks with your new Smashbox lip product. This pigment-loaded color glides on in just one swipe, getting you out the door and into the party quicker. Shades and finishes may vary. These are anywhere between $21 to $24. I really do like this. It's a very, very nice shade. I'm done my makeup and I'm just going to give you a quick review on each of the products in the BoxyCharm. First I'm going to start with the Wander Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. I love these. I wish more came in the BoxyCharm because these are really nice. They felt very hydrating. My skin felt really soft after I applied, after I removed them. The serum works really nicely and I really like these. I was actually really excited to receive this in my BoxyCharm. They're really nice colors. They blended really nicely. There's just two that I didn't get to try, but I mean the other four were amazing. I absolutely love LauraLee. I love her videos. I've been dying to pick up one of her products, so I'm so happy that this came into my BoxyCharm. I absolutely love this. I love the colors. When I'm in a more crazier mood, I'll be able to use this, and that's what I love about it. They're very blendable. There was no fallout. The only color that had fallout was bottoms up, but it's because it's a glitter, so when you're trying to pack it on the lid, it kind of just falls off as you're packing. But other than that, the colors are beautiful. They're amazing. Next is the Bank Beauty Chocolate Gel Eyeliner. What I like about this is that you can use it for different things, right? So it says that you can use it on your eyebrows. Too bad it's not my shade. But I mean, when I need a brown liner, I have one. It's a good product, right? I just, it was a little dry, so I just put the Duraline in it, and it made it easy to use. But yeah, it's a nice color. It's there. I mean, would I have bought this on my own? No. If I'm gonna do a wing liner, it's probably gonna be black, right? Unless I'm trying to do something different. But I wouldn't go out and buy this on my own. Another one of the products I received were the lashes that I'm currently wearing. The House of Lashes lashes. The House of Lashes lashes in the style Bambi. I don't like it. I don't like the pair I received. It's not a pair that I would go out and spend money on. It really isn't. I don't think I'm ever looking to get the doe-eyed look. So I don't like it. That's all I have to say. I really don't like the style. They feel cheap. They really do. I got one of the cheaper pairs that are $9 compared to the $12 pairs, but I would have preferred any of the other lashes. When I was on the BoxyCharm Instagram page, they had a bunch of different lashes that they took a picture of, and Bambi wasn't one of those, so I was really the lashes that they had on there were really nice, and I was looking forward to maybe getting one of those that they had on their Instagram page, and that's not what I got. So it's kind of, I'm probably never gonna wear them again after this video. And then the last product I got was the Smashbox lipstick. I love this. I love the shade. It's really pretty. It's really creamy. It's smooth. So everything in this month's BoxyCharm came up to $102. I wasn't too impressed with the lashes. I feel like I really hyped myself on this box because of the eyeshadow palette, and I saw that I was going to be receiving House of Lashes lashes. So I think I really hyped myself, and I'm kind of let down a little bit right now, I'm not going to lie. Usually BoxyCharm doesn't disappoint. I mean, you're not going to like every single box that you get. I liked most of the products, like the eye packs, the lipstick, and the eyeshadow palette, right? It was just the lashes and the liner that I'm never gonna use again. Maybe this, maybe. Yeah. So yeah, guys, that completes my BoxyCharm. What month is this? August. It's August. Summer's almost over. Oh my god. In Canada, it's gonna be cold. Alright guys, that concludes my August BoxyCharm unboxing, first impressions, and review, and try on video. I hope you guys like it. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Now I gotta go wipe all this makeup off my face because I am leaving and I don't need such a crazy look to go to a ball hockey game, so I'm gonna get rid of this. And I hate these lashes, so I gotta get rid of all this on my face, so yeah.